Here we start from the basic question, what is networking?
Yes.
Okay, so what is networking is the basic question from where we start our lecture.
Okay,
So
sir.
the definition, this is written, it's not any kind of definition which is uh, bookish or something. The students who answer me this question, I just write down here, because
Mm.
networking is just as simple between communication between two or more devices. And
Yes.
we need three main components to develop a network or design a network. So the three main components are devices
Okay.
and medium and protocols. So
Device.
devices are PC, printers, routers, switches, whatever you call, anything is a device
Okay.
which can be connected with another device is a network device.
Mm.
Any device which can be connected with another device is a network device.
Mm.
And then we have medium, wide or wireless. Either
Okay.
we are connected through a wide medium, both the devices connected through a wide medium, or they are connected through wireless. But the main thing, the main component which we are going to discuss throughout our course is protocols.
Mm.
Protocols is the main component which is very essential for anyone who want to learn networking, who want to uh, grasp networking from its core. Because devices are not in our hands. We
Yes.
can't do anything with devices. They are just a piece of hardware with some flexibilities which can be uh, changed. Similarly, the medium, there are only two options. We can decide that this communication should be wired or wireless according to our preferences. But protocols are the core. We can use the protocols according to our need, performance of the communication. It all matters about the protocols. So the 70 to 80% our course is about protocols. Even I can say 90%. So
Okay.
what are the protocols? What is the definition of protocols? Here it is already written, set of rules, set of instructions or procedures. But usually these are the bookish type of uh, definitions for the protocols. But I usually recommend my students to learn or remember protocol as a communication language.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so two devices which want to communicate with each other, they should have a communication language which must be similar.
Ah.
Okay,
Okay.
I can not teach you in Chinese because you don't know Chinese.
Ah.
Obviously, we must have a language which is known for both.
Yes.
So if there are two devices, three devices, hundreds of devices, if they are communicating, they must need a language, their communication language, which is called as protocols. The technical word for that communication language is protocol.
Yes.
It's clear? Any question
Yes, sir.
here?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay. So let's move to the core topic of the networking, OSI model. I hope you have heard it or
Yes.
in your BTech, you must have
Yes,
learned
sir.
it
Yeah, we are
because
learning cyber security.
it's a core topic whenever someone uh, talk about networking.
Yes.
So OSI model is a logical model,
Mm.
is developed by ISO in 1984, and it's a 7 layers architecture.
Ah.
Mm, Do you remember the 7 layers?
Application layer.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
right.
Uh,
These
transport
are the
layer.
names.
Yes, presentation. Yeah.
Application layer, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical.
Yes.
And these names, these layers, and their reference numbers. We will
Uh,
talk about the reference number. For example, the application layer is not the layer 1.
Yeah.
It's called layer 7,
Oh,
layer 6, layer
uh,
5, layer 4, layer 3, layer 2. Physical layer is layer 1.
okay. Top layer.
So, yeah.
Okay,
So
sir.
basically, we start learning or we name the OSI model from bottom down.
Uh,
Means application layer is layer 7. We first learn about this, then presentation, then session, then transport. But whenever we call this for references, what I mean about references, whenever two technical persons talk to each other,
uh,
they usually don't use the name, they use the reference number.
uh,
Okay,
okay, sir. Okay.
whenever you will be discussion with a technical person, he must be saying, I think that there is a network layer. Oh, sorry, there is a layer 3 issue.
Oh,
Okay,
uh,
he will not be saying that it's network layer issue.
uh,
So they are using reference numbers,
okay.
and it's the norm in technical
Uh,
word.
sir,
Either
it
it's
is mean
networking,
from
yeah,
application layer is layer 1, no?
layer 7.
Layer 7. Okay.
Yeah, application layer is layer 7. Means if I say that there is something, there is a layer 7 issue, it means that application layer is causing some issue.
Uh,
The function which happens on the application layer is not proper, or there is some issue with that.
okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
and this is very important with the cybersecurity field as well.
Yeah. Yes,
Because
I know.
whenever in cybersecurity you talk about the issues or attacks, they are or referenced as these layers attacks. Okay,
Uh,
means if I say there is a layer 5 attack,
uh,
so layer 5 attack is a session layer attack.
yes.
If I say there is a layer 7 attack, it means it's a application layer attack.
Uh,
So these must be remembered if you are going to be in the networking field or in the cybersecurity field as well.
yes.
So you must remember these 7 layers, and their reference calls are very important as well.
Uh,
That which reference number belongs to which layer.
uh,
If there is they call layer 4, it means they are talking about transport layer.
transport layer. Yes.
Okay, hopefully you understand the importance of these layers
Yes.
and their references.
Yes.
So it's ob- although it is a protocol which is from 1980s, but still it
Uh,
is valid in the world, and the world is using their references for these model,
okay.
these layers of this model. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
let's talk about each layer one by one so we
Okay.
can
Sir,
understand them
here
better.
I have one doubt. I
Yeah.
always have that. Seven layer architecture. Architecture means the blueprint of something which we are making. Is it like that? That architecture of a building. This is something. Uh, what does it mean in this context exactly?
Okay. Basically, the architecture is something like you are building something. Okay.
Uh, uh,
There is a building. You called the structure architecture.
uh,
So the OSI model is the structure of communication. Not,
uh,
I must say, the just for the network.
uh,
All every communication. It is the architecture for every communication. Each communication happening is based on this architecture. Okay,
okay.
so for example, this architecture has 7 floors.
Uh,
So when the data needs to be delivered,
uh,
each floor has to be crossed.
okay.
You assume that there are 2 buildings.
Uh,
Each has 7 floors.
uh,
If a person living on the 7th floor of a building A, and
uh,
he needs to go to the second building B, so he needs to travel all the way down 7 floors,
uh,
and he will again climb up all the 7 floors up, then he will reach his destination.
yeah.
then he is going to reach his destination. So whenever a message is sent, whenever a communication happen, it usually goes through these layers.
Okay.
Also, why they develop it and why they uh, use layers, and they can be not that specific. So here is the name, open
Okay.
system.
Open system. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
whenever when this networking and this communication uh, technology started, every vendor, IBM, Novell, Apple, the big vendors of that time, Sun, they try to develop their own mechanisms for the communication.
Okay.
So then it is thought that we need a architecture which should be followed by everyone, an open system
Okay. That's why it is open system, compatible for every devices in
for
the world.
every devices and for every vendor. Means if
Okay.
I am using the HP
Ah,
laptop and I need to send someone who is using Dell laptop or IBM,
ah,
so they both are using the same mechanism, same architecture,
ah.
same steps are followed.
Okay. Same steps. Yes.
Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
let's go ahead.
Mm.
Now let's move to application layer. Application layer is not, um, I think the shift button used for that. No. Okay. Application layer uh, is strict to the or it's very close to the application.
Yeah.
What is application?
Like apps that we use, no, WhatsApp.
App,
Then,
yeah, like WhatsApp. It's an example of application. But every uh, interface,
uh,
user interface is an application.
yeah, that we can we know what we know how to use it.
Exactly. That's how we interact with machine.
Uh,
Machine doesn't uh, know uh, A, B, C, D. What machine knows is 1010
yeah.
binary. Okay. Machine doesn't know or doesn't recognize images on base of vision. It
Uh,
recognized images on base of the pattern,
uh,
the binary pattern. Okay.
yeah. Okay.
So when we need to interact with machine, the software we use is called application.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is very close to the application layer. I said it's close to the application. The application layer is close to the application. I didn't say that it's inside the application.
Uh,
Okay. This is
okay.
there is a difference in both of the sentences I said. Okay. So
Okay.
application layer is dedicated for the protocols which are working with an application.
Okay.
Okay. So for example, I'm using browser
Uh,
and I write this figma.com. So when I write figma.com, how does my browser, this is an application, understand that I am uh, going to communicate with this server and I need some data from this server? There is a protocol behind this, HTTPS.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the protocol browser knows. This is the protocol server knows.
Okay.
So this protocol meant to be the basis of this browser-based communication or web communication.
Okay.
Okay, so this protocol is an application layer protocol.
Okay, sir. And this
So what
protocol
means
means
www? What is Figma? What is .com? What is /board? It all written in HTTPS.
okay.
These rules or instructions or procedure that how does this work?
Okay.
What every field uh, means. Means
Okay.
what means by www, what meant by Figma, what meant by .com. Every
Ah,
dot, every slash, everything is written in this protocol.
okay.
So they knows the language. And
Ah,
whenever we say talk about language, each language has some structure.
ah,
Means if we are talking in English, we know that there are some nouns, verbs, etc. Every word has some different meaning and its uh, impact.
yes.
Okay, when to use noun before a verb or after a verb, it all depends on this protocol context.
Yes.
Okay, so that's
Okay.
what or written in HTTP or HTTPS protocol, that how
Mm.
browsing is going to be work, how the
Oh,
data is transferred from server to client, the browsing data, and
okay. How it?
how the client request
Oh, ah.
for the data.
Okay, sir. What
And
should
this
when?
is only about the web data.
Okay.
Okay, but
Mm.
not about the FTP. FTP is file transfer
Mm.
protocol. So
Yes.
file transfer has different instructions or procedures which the this protocol follows.
Okay.
It's different for SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, or
Oh, me.
ICMP, Internet
Okay.
Communication Messaging Protocol.
Okay.
So every time an application interact with the message we want to deliver, it follows a
Ah,
protocol.
okay.
See, like that you are going to email someone. So
Ah,
the SMTP protocol knows that in email, who is, what this the sender field does, what is the recipient field does, what does
ah,
the CC field does, how the date, time stamp attached, what is a
oh,
signature, what is a subject, what is the body, everything.
okay. So it controls the whole communication.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
It controls and it labels the whole communication. These
Ah,
protocol means there are the data is what is the what is the data? Data is just a raw in a raw form. We are
ah,
delivery the user is giving data in raw form.
ah,
These protocols are uh, uh, responsible
ah,
to make that data meaningful,
okay.
and that meaning only understand by the other device who has the same protocol.
Ah,
It is not possible that there is a server who supports HTTP and there is a
ah,
client who doesn't support HTTP and it support HTTPS can communicate with each other.
ah,
It's not possible, although they are same kind of protocol, but there
yes.
is a little difference is S. Do you know what
Ah,
stands for S?
secured.
Secure, exactly. So when the term secure comes, it means there should be an authentication or encryption, these kind of things happening in the background. So
Ah,
how does the authentication happen? It written in this protocol. What
ah,
encryption mechanism is used? It written in this protocol. The two devices agree that we are using to use this type of encryption. I hope you understand multiple algorithms. These
yes.
there are for encryption. So there are
Ah,
multiple algorithms.
yes.
So they agree on a single algorithm.
Yes. So, yeah, I know that.
Okay.
It is something
So
with handshaking.
yeah, handshaking is another department.
Okay.
It's not here. It's not in
Okay.
the application layer. Yeah, but there are multiple handshakings when a communication happening.
Ah,
Okay, so
okay.
I hope that application layer is
Yes.
clear in your mind.
Yes,
Basically,
yes.
the top three layers, application, presentation, and session,
Oh,
are not core part of this course. So we don't
okay.
discuss about them very much in detail.
Okay.
We just need to understand that what it means, that
Yes.
what is happening on application layer.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes.
and what is
Please.
happening on presentation layer? Now, application layer and presentation layer were uh, logically different, but they are similar or same kind of uh, I think I'm using wrong words. So I should avoid that sentence. Forget that. Okay. They are different.
Okay.
When they are going to be same, we will discuss this later. Right now, they are different. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Sometimes it will going to happen that I said something and then later I will be defying that.
Okay.
Okay, it's going to happen because for understanding the concept, we sometimes need to hear or tell few lies. Okay, but it's not a lie.
Yeah.
It's just the storytelling that which can work better.
Yeah. Yes.
So presentation layer is also known as translation layer.
Translation. Okay.
And uh, I say that it is used means in backward that sometimes we need to translate things for user to understand or the for application layer to understand.
Yeah.
Okay. The core example is here ASCII codes to ABDIC. Do you know ASCII codes?
Yes, sir.
The codes we use to for keys.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so A has a code 47, B has a code 48, or capital A is 65, capital B is 67, something like that.
Yeah.
So these codes are standard.
Ah.
But there was a time when IBM created their own codes,
Okay.
and that's called ABDIC.
Okay.
So if I am an IBM user and I type something, so if I type A, so IBM decoded it as something else.
Ah.
The hex code is different.
Different. Yes.
Then the binary will be different.
Ah.
And when it reached to the recipient, the character shown to that recipient will be different if he is using ASCII.
Ah.
So that's why presentation layer is in between them, and it check that if the code is coming in the ABDIC form and the user device supports ASCII, it convert ABDIC to ASCII or translate.
Ah.
And if the user send the data, the code in ASCII codes, and recipient is using ABDIC, so it is
Okay.
going to translate ASCII into ABDIC. Similarly, encryption, decryption.
Ah.
That's
Okay.
presentation layer.
Okay.
So what these S is working, it's working on presentation layer. And this is
Yes.
just an encryption example I used to
Okay.
give my students
Okay.
that Karachi can be uh, converted into this just using by key, which is 2. So
Two.
K is M now because 2 increment.
Two in the middle. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is presentation layer.
Okay.
Uh,
Yes.
and then we have session layer to manage sessions, establishing timeout, something, whatever session needs. So the session layer is responsible for session management.
Yes.
The usually session management is performed by servers.
Servers. Oh, okay.
Okay, so whenever we connect to any server, database server or web server, whatever kind of it's the server is, it establish a session for us, and if the user is not responding, it's timeout and the
Okay.
session closed.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay,
Session time. Yeah.
now is the thing
Yeah.
where we are going to dive deep, and it
Okay.
is transport layer. So transport layer is backbone layer,
Yeah.
and backbone means that because it is a mid layer,
Ah.
the above 3 and below 3. So it is a mid layer, so it worked as backbone layer.
Okay.
And most of the important task in communication happening in transport layer. The
Okay.
most functions happening in transport layer means application layer is just doing one work. Presentation layer just doing one work, translation. Session layer just doing one work, segmentation. Transport layer does many works.
Okay.
There are many functionalities happening at transport layer. Then
Yes.
network and data link and physical all have some few responsibilities, but transport layer has most of the responsibilities. So we must understand it better. And there is another issue that we can't see transport layer. So we just need to understand it and develop our imagination that how it's working. So it's backbone layer and it's important.
Yes.
So the first thing you must remember about transport layer that it is managed by operating system.
Okay.
Okay. The
Yeah.
all the functionalities we are going to discuss, these all functionalities are managed by operating system, administrator or user of the system has a very limited involvement in that.
Okay.
Okay, means if I
Okay.
am a server administrator,
Ah.
eh, in my server, I can uh, involve in the application layer and I can change things, how works, how the things work on application layer. I can
Ah.
change them.
Ah.
Okay, the presentation layer is somehow is accessible and I can change that. The session layer can be
Ah.
uh, uh, manipulative. Okay,
Ah.
so
Okay.
because server administrator can decide that, or the server can decide that how session are going to work, how many,
Ah.
how what should be the session timeout.
Ah.
Okay, but in
Okay.
transport layer there is a few very little involvement of human or administrator.
Ah.
It is solely managed by operating system.
Okay.
Okay, so what operating system does? The first thing operating system does is segmentation.
Segmentation.
This is very important.
Yeah.
ठीक?
Memory.
No. Create small chunks or
Ah.
segments of
Ah.
data.
Ah. Yes. Yes. Ah.
ठीक?
Packet. Is it packeting?
Sorry?
Is it packeting? Convert it to packets.
Packets? No. It's not
Ah.
packets.
Okay.
Segments are different, packets are different. We are going to
Ah.
discuss packets later.
Okay.
Okay. There is also an instruction I used to give my students in the first class.
Ah.
Whenever you are learning a topic,
Ah.
try to create a separate box in your mind for that topic
Ah.
and put that the all the information of about that topic in that box and
Ah.
don't mix up with other topics.
Ah.
It's just
Yes.
my recommendation that whenever
Okay.
you are listening about any topic or trying to learn any topic, your
Ah.
focus should be on that topic. That
Okay, sir.
this is how it works.
Yes.
Don't try to compare the working with another topic or another kind of working.
Okay, sir.
It's going to just make you confuse.
Ah.
Okay, so
Okay.
if there is the word segmentation
Ah.
and we are talking about segments, it
Okay.
means that it's about segmentation only.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so
Yes.
segmentation, small chunks. Okay, dividing
Okay.
data. Create word is wrong here. I should write divide. Divide data into small chunks or segments.
Okay.
Okay, so now this line is more convincing. So
Yeah.
divide data into small chunks or segment. This
Segments.
is segmentation. So
Yes.
uh, now first that how.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
application layer, for example, I want to send a document.
Huh.
Application layer decided that the document should be followed with the FTP protocol as a
Okay.
file, okay,
Yeah.
PDF file.
Huh.
Say, then the presentation layer decided that PDF file don't need to be translated or something,
Huh.
or if it is the secure data, it need to be encrypted.
Yes.
Okay, it encrypt the
Okay.
complete document.
Huh.
Then the session layer check that if the data can be sent or session is
Huh.
established.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Then the transport layer take that PDF file and divide it into small chunks. Means if there are 10 pages,
Huh.
it divide the 10 pages into, for example,
Huh.
single page file.
Huh.
Different multiple means it creates multiple files of a
Huh.
single file. Why?
Okay, sir.
Why it needs to be done? Why operating system
Mm.
is doing that?
It is easy to send. Or,
It's easy to send. Okay. Basically, it's about bandwidth.
ah,
Okay.
okay.
So, for example, I say that I have a bandwidth of 10 Mbps,
Ah,
and the file, the PDF file I was trying to send is 5 MB.
okay.
So, should it needed to be divided?
Yes.
Why?
It is larger.
It is larger than 10 Mbps. The file size is 5 MB.
5 MB, 10
Yeah.
Mbps. Yeah. Yes. So that it fits in this 10 Mbps width.
Yeah, bits. The
Okay.
difference is bits versus bytes.
Bytes.
So when you convert 5 MB into bytes,
Ah,
it will be 8 5s are
40.
40. So it will be 40 MB.
40 MB.
Okay. And this is a universal rule.
Okay.
Whenever you calculate bandwidth, you measure bandwidth,
Ah,
you measure it in bits.
ah,
And whenever you calculate the file size, you measure in bytes.
bytes. Ah,
Okay. So whenever you are downloading, it shows you bits.
with,
Even the packages,
ah,
the internet service providers who market their packages that we are providing 100 Mbps or we are providing
ah,
200 Mbps or 500 Mbps, whatever they are marketing, it's
ah,
you must see that they will use always a small
ah.
b.
Yes, yes.
They are not going to use capital B because
Yeah.
capital B is bytes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's say it can't be transferred in one piece.
Yeah.
Okay, how about if I say that it is 50 KB?
50 KB, kilobytes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now
8.
I think that 10 Mbps should be enough.
Ah, yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
but
Yes.
uh, let me revert it back. So, okay, but does my operating system know that the bandwidth I have is 10 Mbps or 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps?
Um, oh, does it know, sir?
Does my operating system
Oh,
means
it knows.
my laptop knows that the bandwidth I purchased from the service provider is 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps?
Yeah, it knows.
No, it doesn't. It can't. It's impossible for an operating system of a device to know that.
Oh,
Why? Because I am not the only one connected to that.
this net.
Okay, I am not the only one connected on that internet. Maybe there
Yeah.
are 4 people, maybe there are 40 people.
Uh, Okay.
It makes sense?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And also the 50 Mbps or the 100 Mbps bandwidth, which was for which I am paying, it's not
Ah,
dedicated for the normal users, it's a shared bandwidth.
yes.
Okay. So I
Okay.
never know that what is the available bandwidth right now for me.
Oh,
Okay. No
okay.
device knows this.
Ah,
Even the router doesn't knows this because the router which is connected to the internet, which is
ah,
close enough with the ISP, but
yeah.
even it doesn't knows
Okay.
that how much bandwidth is available for transmit or
Ah,
receive the data.
oh,
Okay, so we
okay.
doesn't know. So and every user has different. So what operating system does that it creates very small segments, 100 KB,
Ah,
so that a user who is using uh, the lowest, slowest internet in the world, which might be right now 1 MB or something like that, the data can be transferred on that as well.
oh,
Okay, but
ah,
there is a drawback. What is the drawback of this?
uh,
Creating small chunks.
it takes time.
It takes time, exactly. Means that if I am going to transmit the small chunks one by one,
Ah,
and I have a large bandwidth
ah, and
which
waste of time.
is not using, okay, that is waste.
Ah, yes.
Okay, so for to resolve this issue,
Ah,
there comes windowing.
oh,
The operating system
ah,
create segments,
ah,
and after creating the segments, the second task is performed is windowing.
okay.
Windowing is how many segments at a time.
Okay.
Okay, so
Ah,
how many segments at a time is windowing.
okay.
So what operating system does, it try to decide that
Um,
if I send, for example, 50 segments at a time,
ah,
so that bandwidth can support it or not.
ah,
If I send 20, if I send 30,
okay.
okay. So
Ah,
it try to decide that how many segments at a time can be sent on the current available bandwidth.
oh,
Okay. So
oh,
here is the example how it happens.
ah,
So for example, server is trying to send the data to client,
ah,
the FTP file.
yes.
Okay. So what it does that it send a single segment first
Okay. Okay.
segment, and the number is starting from 10,
Okay.
and this number is a standard. The first
Okay.
segment always send is start with the number 10.
Okay. Then,
Okay.
okay.
So if the client received it,
Ah,
what does client do? It sends that acknowledgement.
okay.
The acknowledgement is not like that I received 10.
Ah,
Instead, it send number 11. That
okay.
I have received 10.
Ah,
Now please send me
11.
segment number 11.
Ah,
Okay. So what server does next? It sends two segments,
ah,
11 and 12. Why?
yes. Because
Why it's sending two segments?
because it now it knows that the first segment it is affordable. Exactly.
Exactly, exactly. So it try to send two.
Ah,
When it sends two, the
ah,
client asks for 13 if it
ah,
received the two.
ah,
Then server does
ah,
try to send four segments at a time.
okay. It doubles.
Yeah, it doubles.
Mm.
It grows it exponentially.
Okay.
Okay, so
Mm.
it sends four segments at a time.
Okay.
If the client receive four and
Ah,
ask for 17, the
ah,
server think, yeah, the bandwidth between me and the client
ah,
is affordable for four
a
segments.
four
It can
segment.
support four
Oh,
segments. So then it try to send eight.
8.
But when it sends eight, For example, client asks for 22.
Oh,
So
okay.
then it concluded that 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6,
5,
yes.
5
Yes,
segments
5,
can be
5.
sent at a time. So
Yes.
that's called window size.
Uh,
And then it continue with 5 segments,
uh,
but not for the overall communication, means the
oh,
whole time.
uh,
If the 5 segments are going easily, after a few seconds or milliseconds, just try to send 8 again,
uh,
because it might happen that the bandwidth is
increase.
released, means this
Uh,
client was watching some videos on YouTube,
uh,
and
oh,
simultaneously it is start downloading,
uh,
uh, and then it turn off the tab where the videos were playing,
uh,
so the bandwidth is released.
uh,
Now the whole bandwidth should be used for downloading.
uh,
So
yes.
it's again try to send 8. And if the 8 received, then it will try 16.
Okay.
Now remember, whenever we download something,
Uh,
it doesn't happen that we instantly get the best downloading speed.
uh, yes.
It increase slowly.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Uh,
So on the
Sometimes
back,
2 hours, then it currently changes to 5 minutes.
exactly.
Uh,
Even when you notice that when you started the download, it
uh,
start from KBs,
yeah.
and then it grows uh, thoroughly.
Yes.
Okay, it doesn't change just in not a blink. That just in a
Uh,
blink, it comes from KBs to MBs.
uh,
It takes time.
yes.
So why it's taking time? This is happening in the background.
Okay.
That when
Yes.
we are downloading from server is trying to increase the segments and
Uh,
deciding window size. So it starts from 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32,
mm,
64, and then our downloading speed is increasing because we are receiving more segments at a time.
uh, yes.
Okay,
Understood.
so this is
Yes.
one of the reason.
Uh,
This is not the only reason. This is one
uh,
of the reason.
okay.
Okay, now
Yes.
I guess these two things make sense: segmentation and windowing.
Yes. Clear.
They are interconnected with each
Okay.
other.
Uh,
So segmentation divide data into small chunks,
yeah.
and which are called segments,
Uh,
and windowing is how many segments at a time.
yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Any queries about these two things?
No, no, sir. Clear.
And because I said that this is the uh, uh, functionality or topic which we are going to just learn or
Uh,
discuss,
yeah.
we are not going to practically implement that, because
Uh,
what size of segment is creating, uh, we don't know. It's
uh,
all in operating systems knowledge. Operating system knows
yes.
what size of segment it is creating,
Uh,
and windowing is also
yes.
in not our control. We can't say that window size should be this or this.
Uh,
Okay.
yes, sir.
Now the another core topic,
Uh,
the TCP and UDP.
uh,
So
yes.
TCP and UDP are two protocols in very what I must say, in past. Okay.
Okay.
Means they were protocols, but right now they are
Uh,
not protocols, but they are a standard of communication.
okay.
Okay. So TCP and UDP are two kind of mechanism.
Okay.
Okay. So once the data reach on the transport layer, then operating system decides
Okay.
that now the communication will be followed by using the TCP mechanism or
Uh,
by the UDP mechanism.
okay.
Again, it comes on the
Uh,
operating system, but
uh,
it doesn't means that operating system solely decide that. It
uh,
depends on the protocol.
Okay.
The protocol tells that I am the TCP based protocol, or the protocols can be UDP based protocol.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
they are TCP or UDP based protocols in the real world. So when TCP protocol is here, so TCP requires acknowledgement, means whenever a data sent, the receiver will send a acknowledgement message. Otherwise, the next data or next segment is not going to be sent by the sender.
Okay.
UDP doesn't require acknowledgement.
Yeah.
TCP is reliable, less reliable. TCP is connection oriented. First, the connection is established, then the data will be sent. UDP
Okay.
is connectionless
Oh.
because reliable and acknowledgement and connection, it is slow and it
Yeah.
is fast. And with the examples, we can understand why. So HTTP is for browsing. And every time we want that whenever we browse, we need complete data. Okay, means for example, I am visiting an e-commerce website and the browser shows me everything and there is price missing. Then it's not sufficient for me. I need the price as well. So user needs complete data. Either it's slow, it doesn't matter. Means I am downloading any file,
Yeah.
it should be a complete file. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
And in UDP, what's happening in UDP? We need fast communication.
Yeah.
Voice over IP, live streaming. Okay, means we are watching a live match and there are some pixels dropped. We don't care about them. Okay, the picture is blur. We don't care about. We want live to be real quick.
Fast.
Like we are talking right now, voice over IP.
Yeah.
As soon as I am speaking, you are listening that. If
Yes.
there is a delay or jitter, then the communication is horrible. Okay, I use two words, delay and jitter. Have you heard about them?
Delay, I have heard. Jitter.
Jitter, okay. Sometimes I, what to say that sometimes I say the things in the flow. Okay, so delay and jitter are just there is a small difference in between them. Delay is a what to say?
It is a time, sir.
No, it's a time which is constant. Means there is a 1 second delay. The 1 second is constant.
Yeah.
But jitter is uneven delay.
Uneven delay.
Uneven delay means sometimes it's 1 second, sometimes it's 1.5 seconds, sometimes it's 2 seconds. That's jitter.
Okay.
Okay, it's uneven delay.
Yeah.
So voice over IP has issues, but we need fast communication. Let's get back to the topic. So TCP and UDP are two mechanisms, and how does operating system knows that which mechanism should be used?
Depends on that application we are using now, sir.
Depends on that application layer protocol. Okay, that protocol suggests the transport layer or operating system that now the communication should be using the TCP mechanism or the UDP mechanism. Okay, and they can both be used by the same application. Yeah, means for example, right now we are here in the meeting, and the voice over IP is used. But if if I send any text message on the WebEx chat message, it will be using any other protocol which is TCP based. Means when whatever I type, you will receive the exact text.
Yes.
There will be nothing missed. So the same application WebEx we are using right now for our communication is using TCP and UDP at the same time.
Same time. Okay.
Okay.
For
So
different
it's,
functions,
yeah,
it is used.
exactly. And
Okay.
for different type of protocols means a single application can work
Ah,
at a time with multiple protocols.
oh.
Means the
It
Edge
is
browser,
possible. Ah,
I can use it for browsing as well. At the
ah,
meantime, I can using it for file downloading. I can
ah,
using for email sending, receiving. There are
right.
multiple tasks can be performed by a single application
Ah,
which belongs to
different
different
protocol.
protocols.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope this makes sense.
Yes, sir. And
Okay.
these are all not in our control, no, sir. Since
No,
this is in control.
obviously, these are control of the application.
Okay.
The application developer
Ah,
decided that
ah,
which protocol he or she wants to use.
okay.
The application developer decides that. And
Decide.
there is another thing.
Ah,
It's not necessary that you use the standard protocol.
ah,
You can create your own protocol in your own application.
ah,
So what is going to happen that the other end which has your application same at the same application
ah,
both knows these protocols. Means
ah,
it is not necessary that the standard protocols are used.
ah,
Like WhatsApp used a secret protocol for their chat,
ah,
which is very fast and reliable and something like that. That's why WhatsApp uh, got edge on other messaging apps because
ah.
they create their own protocol.
Oh, ah, ah,
Okay, so
ah,
that's how applications work.
ah,
Mostly application developers
ah.
creating their own protocols, their
Oh,
own
okay.
procedures or mechanisms
Ah,
to deliver their messages, which are not standard, which cannot be anticipated by any other vendor or any other developer.
yes. I
Okay.
understood. Yes, sir.
So it is something that protocols are very important. Their
Mm.
understanding is very important, that
Okay.
how they work and how they are used.
Okay, sir.
Now we use the word connection oriented in the
Okay.
TCP.
Mm.
So how does TCP makes connection? So TCP connection mechanism is also called three-way handshake.
Mm.
You talked about the handshake. Here it
Yes.
is.
Ah,
Okay, so three-way
okay.
handshake is like that. For example, there are client and server. The
Ah,
client send the SYN packet to the server
ah,
because client want to establish a TCP connection.
ah,
Means whenever we uh, try to access any website,
ah,
means I type www.google.com.
ah,
So before that, the Google server send me data.
ah,
My browser send a SYN message to the
server.
Google server.
Ah,
Okay, it is called
okay.
SYN,
Since.
synchronize.
Okay.
Then the server respond with SYNAC,
Okay,
synchronize
acknowledged.
and acknowledgement.
Yeah.
And then the client send acknowledgement. Then
Ah,
server finalize the connection.
connection.
And
Yeah.
after the connection established,
Ah,
server starts sending data to the client.
ah,
Okay.
okay, sir. Okay.
So there is a very known attack, uh, DOS or DDoS attack,
Yeah.
denial of service or
Denial,
distributed
sir.
denial of service.
Ah,
It happened with this mechanism.
oh.
That attack is what do we say? What is the word? Very important word it is.
Mm.
Attack plan. No, plan is the generalized word. There is another word which used to plan the attack, the technical word. Do you know or remembering that? Orchestrate.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes,
So
okay. Yeah.
orchestrating the attack
Ah,
can be is used with these mechanism by exploiting this mechanism.
ah, ah.
Okay, so
Okay,
what
sir.
happened that a client or a rogue client
Ah,
or multiple clients
ah,
which are affected.
ah,
Okay, there is some batch file or something which is spreaded over the
ah,
internet, and everyone who open that file Uh, so in that batch file, it is written that send a SYN message to that server.
Oh.
Okay, and just send the SYN message and do nothing else. So what happens that client sends SYN message to the server and server sends SYN ACK and waiting for the ACK, but the client doesn't send the ACK because it's not a real client. And that's why server is busy. And if there are thousands or millions of rogue clients which send the SYNs packet at the same time to the server, so the server will be just waiting for their acknowledgement, and it is not going to respond the real clients who are coming from somewhere else. Okay, so
the attacker never sends the acknowledgement from the client side.
Yeah, and that SYN is not a message which is malicious. Means it's a legal message. So server can't anticipate that if it's a legal SYN or an illegal SYN.
Okay.
So it must respond to that SYN.
It means it is exploiting the vulnerability of the server.
Of the mechanism.
Of the mechanism.
And there are many vulnerabilities exploited on these known protocols. That how these protocol works, and that's how you exploit their vulnerabilities.
Yes.
That's why I say that developers create their own protocols. That's why they say that our application is secure because it is not using the standard protocol. So it can be easily exploited. No one knows about them too much.
Their mechanism.
But for the HTTPS, everyone can search about HTTPS, and there is 1,000 of books and material he can get. Even the exploits, known exploits, he can get the information about that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's move forward.
Okay.
Now the fourth functionality, which is multiplexing demultiplexing.
Sir, one question. And this
Yeah.
TCP has this is called the connection, and UDP doesn't have this handshake and all.
No. UDP doesn't have this.
That's why it is connectionless.
Connectionless, yeah. But I just like I said that both can be working on the same time.
Yes.
Like we are connected. Okay. So what does WebEx does? What WebEx does? That first it use TCP for our connection, and once the connection is made, then it switched on the UDP for
UDP.
voice.
For fast.
Bilkul, exactly, for voice communication.
Okay.
And right now, maybe it is even not maybe, it is using both of them. Means the connection is established, the session is established, we are connected. It is making sure that there is some acknowledgement is going on between our communication, so that I know that you are present in this meeting or not, I am present in this meeting or not. Okay, that must be happening behind. But all the voice communication or this the screen sharing, okay, which is kind of live streaming, okay, it is happening by using the UDP mechanism.
UDP. Okay.
So at the same time, both are working. Normally both are working at the same time.
Okay.
The application using both of them.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's move forward to the multiplexing, demultiplexing.
Yeah.
So multiplexing is many into one, and demultiplexing is one into many. What does it mean? Many into one and one into many. So here is the example. For example, I'm just getting bored and doing nothing, and just got some in my mind, and I open a tab google.com and search something. Okay. Or for
Okay.
example, I'm looking for a recipe, food recipe. Then then the results were not as per my intentions. What I do, I will open another tab and with some other keywords, by changing some keywords, I started another search. Then I open another tab because I am Vela. Okay. So I uh, open google.com another time and do some another search. Then I remember, oh, I have to check my mail, and I open my mail, and there is a document attached in the mail, which led me to Drive. So there are 5 tabs open,
Open.
and
Yes.
all the 5 tabs are sending data to Google server and receiving data from Google server.
Yes.
Now I have a IP, a single IP. Google have a IP, which is a single IP.
Yes.
So on that single IP, we are communicating. So how does my browser knows that which data belongs to which tab? Means that the query I generated from the tab 1 goes to Google.
Google.
And
Yes.
when the result came back to me, it is on that same tab,
Same time. Yes.
not on the other tab.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
how does the browser knows, or how does the operating system knows? Because there must be multiple applications.
Yeah.
I can be using Edge browser at same time, and Chrome at same time, and Firefox at same time. I can be using Skype, I can be using WebEx, I can be using Microsoft Teams, Zoom, many protocols, sorry, many applications at the
Yes.
same time. And each application is sending some data and receiving some data. I can use Edge browser, open google.com and search something. I can use at the same time Chrome browser, open google.com and uh, search something.
Yes.
Okay, so there are multiple applications using the internet going to the same server. Maybe possible that both the applications are going to same server. Okay, and there are multiple tabs in a single application, or there are multiple communications in a single application can be happening.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
how does is identify the operating system? How does identify that which data belongs to which application, or in that application if there are segregation like tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, so where it belongs? It uses logical ports.
Okay.
Okay, so port
Okay.
numbers attach with the applications data or tabs data. Means when I am using tab 1 and the data from tab 1 is going to be sent, the port number will be attached with my IP address.
Okay. Port number is attached to IP address. Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. And that is going to be sent on the Google server. So when the Google server respond, it respond with my IP and also assign the port number which was received with the query.
Okay.
So when this data came back, the operating system knows that it is belong to that tab.
That port.
Okay.
Okay.
So port number is attached with the IP address. And
Okay.
that's how multiplexing, demultiplexing work.
Okay.
Many
Sir.
into one, one into many.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
And we can say that, yeah.
is it just an identification number, or does it have any port? I mean,
It is an identification number for
okay.
the users. But there are 2 categories.
Okay.
One is a well-known category or assigned. Okay.
Yeah.
Which is used for known protocols
Okay.
like port number 80.
Yeah.
Okay. So when I send the data,
Ah,
I attached my uh, source IP and my source port number,
okay.
and destination IP and destination port number. So when Google receive, it sees that, oh, it's port number 80. It means port number 80 is HTTP.
HTTP.
So it is going to send me the data which belongs to HTTP protocol. And a single server can support multiple protocols or services. Means the Google server can send me the browsing data. Also, it can send me email data, which can be using the protocol SMTP.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Okay.
and when I am downloading the file, it is using FTP. So there are multiple protocols are which is supported by this server, and it is providing me multiple services. Mean this server is a web server, it is a email server, it is a file server.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay, sir.
it is providing multiple services. So how does this distinguish that the request I received is
What
belong
kind
to
of
which service?
okay.
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 So the
Okay,
port
clear.
number attached tells the server.
Now it is clear, sir. Okay. What kind of functions or what kind
Protocol.
of protocols? Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And there
Okay,
are
sir.
these free ports 102.5265535.
Oh.
So these port numbers are used by the operating system.
Okay.
And even as I said that, for example, I am creating my own protocol.
Okay.
I am a web developer and I am
Okay.
creating my own protocol. So
Okay.
obviously it must not be
This one.
in these numbers. So I
Yes.
can use
Already
my own
taken.
number. And my server where my application is hosted,
Yeah.
it knows that port number specifically. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I guess maybe you sometimes like few devices like IP camera or these kind of devices have an IP address and then call an 8080 or 8888 kind of port number. If you ever use. Okay, so means that they use from the free port a port number which is easy to remember so that their devices can communicate on the same port.
Okay.
Okay, this happens, and there are multiple. Have you been experienced with development at any point?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Well, then leave it.
Okay.
Because when we try to develop and we try to test the application in our local system, so we use these port numbers for the communication of our testing environment.
Okay.
Okay, so port numbers are very important, and they are every time whenever a data is sent, the port number must assigned.
Okay.
Okay, either it's well known or either it's free.
Okay. And sir, for a new application, we are taking any number like 60,000. Then will the server know what kind of what function or which protocol is it?
Basically, the application hosted on a server means, for example, like WhatsApp. WhatsApp has their own server where they hosted their application.
Yeah.
The server
Yes.
version of the application and the client version of application. There are two types of version of application.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Clear,
so
sir. Yes.
they knows about that because they are receiving the data on their server.
Their server, yes.
So they write the program in the server and they write the port number which is expected from a legal client or legitimate client for
Yes.
legitimate purpose. And there are multiple port numbers as well for a single application. Okay, means a single application can use multiple ports.
Yeah.
And what happens? For example, I close the tab 1. Then this port 1025 is vacant again.
Yeah.
It's free again. So then if I open another tab, the 1025 can be assigned to that port as well.
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Clear.
Since I started this topic and I am talking about this port number and IP address combination, I am
Yeah.
trying to remember a word which is not uh, coming in my mind.
Uh,
Uh, Basically, the port number and the
uh,
colon and the sorry, the IP address
uh,
colon port number. This whole thing is has a technical name,
uh,
which I am trying to remember. Socket.
okay, sir.
Okay, this is called a socket.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay,
if
sir.
you hear the word socket
Uh,
anytime,
yeah.
usually in cybersecurity, socket is a word which you are going to hear because there are socket level attacks.
Okay.
Okay, which are combination of IP address and port numbers.
Port number. Okay.
So maybe you remember that you heard this word and you uh, remember that this is what it means. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a socket.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
IP
this is the
address.
multiplexing, demultiplexing, and there the
Okay.
transport layer ends. I guess
Okay.
it's enough for today.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we are going to continue from tomorrow. Any questions from these two lectures? I will appreciate the questions.
Okay. Mm, this is now it is clear to me, sir.
Hmm.
When what confuses me is now what you have taught me, it is very much clear. I thought it would be very uh, difficult, but you made it very simple, actually.
Thanks.
Because it is with examples, it is more convincing and I can understand better. Otherwise, only theory. You have said how it happens in while we are browsing.
Hmm.
That is very. I mean, I could understand in a practical way. And what
Uh,
happens is, sir, I
yeah,
have
yeah.
studied this in textbook, and when I
Hmm.
went for one internship interview, then the CTO asked me, "What happens when you are typing www.google.com and explain with
Hmm.
this OSI model?" Then
Hmm.
I could say the theory only, but what
Hmm.
actually happens was I was actually confused.
Hmm.
Then I came to know I should study more about it.
It's a loop of learning. You always have to learn something, and you have to learn the things uh, again and again. Means it's
Uh,
not like that one time you just learn and then forever it is going to remain in your mind and you are
uh,
going to remember that. You have to revise that,
uh,
and somehow there is a mechanism that helps you make it revise. I
uh,
usually teach just for my own revision
uh,
that because the teaching keeps me uh, um, updated,
uh,
and and my concepts got more clear. Even when I am teaching, it
uh,
happens a lot of time that during the teaching, the aspect of a topic which I uh, explore as new, means there is something new came up in the topic which
uh,
I was using for year, which I was teaching for years,
uh,
and there is something new suddenly came from that topic, and
uh,
I just got what is there. It is there, and I was not seeing it for
uh,
many years.
uh,
So this happens. You have to keep learning, and
yeah,
this is a cycle which
yes,
needs to be uh, repeat.
yeah,
I usually suggest my students that the best way to learn any new topic or technology or course is
uh,
that you pick any person in
uh,
your circle,
uh,
and you convince him that I am going to teach you
uh,
for free.
uh,
Just give your time, and I will teach you for free what I am learning.
uh,
So when you do this and you do this 2 or 3 or 4 times,
uh,
then the things are stuck in your mind.
uh, yes.
So
Yeah.
it's very important that you share the knowledge, and you don't hesitate that if I share this knowledge with someone and then he will get something else or something like that. It's not
Uh,
happening.
uh,
You are going to get something.
yes.
It's definitely the best way to learn. I
Yes.
means that you take my class, and if you uh, somehow uh, just going through these, I will provide you PDF and
Yeah.
somehow try to explain just like me, that how I explained and whatever I talk. Because for a day or for 1, 2, 3 days, your mind remembers things
Yeah.
as it is. Then if you repeat it, then your mind is going to store it for a very long time.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
if
sir.
there is someone around you, I will appreciate you that you try to uh, just try to deliver that. Okay.
Okay.
So there
Okay,
are
sir.
2 lectures which we discussed,
Yeah.
and I am going to provide you these 2 lectures in the
Okay, sir.
PDF format,
Okay,
and I
sir.
am going to create a Google Drive folder
Yeah.
where I will be keeping these lectures and the recordings. And I will share the link with you in the group. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Any other confusion about the topics or anything?
It is clear, sir.
Okay. So we are going to continue tomorrow at the same time.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you so much.